Good morning, everyone. I am so happy to see you again. I have my master shopping list right here on my phone because today we are going to hit the shops. I'm planning to do a big freezer dinner cooking day this week. Plus, my book club is having its monthly meeting this week, and yours truly is hosting. I need to buy ingredients for a charcuterie board because we always have drinks and nibbles first, then we discuss our book, and then we have dinner. I also need to buy ingredients for the book club dinner. So please hang out with me as we hit the shops. I think we will have a good time together. Thank you for coming on this drive with me. It's not often that I visit numerous grocery stores in a single day. I guess there's no such thing as one-stop shopping in my neck of the woods. So our first stop is a big box store. I want to buy one of those insulated zipper grocery bags that you can put ice in so you can keep meats and whatnot cold while you shop. This large quantity of paper towels was not on my shopping list, but I couldn't resist the bargain price. Into the cart they go. I'm out of dishwasher detergent tabs, so we're going to pick up some of those as well. I rarely use aluminum foil, but when I do freezer dinners, I like to wrap, say, the baking dish first in heavy-duty aluminum foil and then cling film because that prevents freezer burn. So we're going to buy some foil. Actually, the reverse is true. From what I've read, you first wrap the freezer meal in cling film and then in aluminum foil. The goal is to mitigate the chance of freezer burn. I wish I had a Costco somewhere near me, but the closest one is in Springfield, Massachusetts, which is a 1-hour drive from my house. So we're just going to a local big box store today, plus some other smaller grocery stores. Let me know if you have a Costco in your neck of the woods and if you enjoy it. So I found this 36 can cooler zippered container here, and it might work, but I'm going to see if the store has any other insulated bags. I'm also going to buy one of these freeze packs. I mean, I can't use this today to keep food cold as we shop, but I will put this in my freezer at home where it's convenient. And then today, we can buy a bag of ice that we can put in our bag in which we want to keep things cold. Change of plan. It turns out that the store sells those insulated zipper bags at every cash register, so I don't have to buy that big can cooler. This was not at all on my shopping list today, but we just drove by a PetSmart, and I remembered that Goldie broke his fishing pole toy, so we are going to buy another fishing pole. We just arrived at Aldi, and there is a sign on a cardboard panel that says, "Close for remodel, open at 2 p.m. So I guess we won't be shopping at Aldi this morning. So our next stop is Price Chopper in Chatham, New York. I can tell you right now that we will return to Aldi later on this day, and we will have a great time shopping there. Several of the freezer dinners we're doing this week involve bell peppers, so I need a lot of them. Checking to see how many of these recipes require a green bell pepper. There's 1, 2, 3. 3 recipes require green bell pepper. I know I need garlic for some of these recipes. I also need ginger. I think every recipe we are making requires an onion. The onions in my garden are ready for harvest, but I still need to cure them before we can use them. I ended up buying 3 pounds of Italian sausage. We need it for 2 of the freezer dinners that we will make together this week. The supermarket we are in right now, which is Price Chopper, has superior produce to the Hannaford supermarket that is closer to my home. But Hannaford has better meats, so we are going there next. Earlier, I said that the best meats were at Hannaford, but in fact, the best chicken is at the Berry Farm, and that's where we are right now. If the Berry Farm sold sundries as well as first-rate local chicken, I would do all of my shopping here. It's a fun place to shop. The chicken I'm buying today is for various marinated chicken freezer meals that you and I will make this week. The Berry Farm also has the best eggs. These are local eggs. I'm going to purchase all of the goods in this bag, and then we will head to Hannaford. This is another stop that was not scheduled. I realized that my car is downright filthy, so we are at a car wash. It's now after 2 o'clock. The car is clean, at least on the outside, and we are back at Aldi. So let's go buy our charcuterie goods. These are my favorite crackers for charcuterie. It's a really good price too. $3.99, and it is a lot of crackers. And I think I will grab some of these everything flatbread crackers too. Aldi does not always have this, but this is one of my favorite cheeses, Manchego. This keeps for a really long time in the refrigerator, so I'm going to buy 2 of them. Gouda pre-cut, which is very convenient for me. When our book club gets together, we generally have drinks and nibbles first, and then we discuss the book, and then we have dinner. And so for the drinks and nibbles part, I don't need to make too big an effort because I'm also serving dinner afterwards. So shopping for charcuterie items at Aldi, this is very easy. And here again, the prices are terrific. This extra sharp pre-sliced cheddar is only $2.79. Camembert. Always good to have a soft cheese on the charcuterie board. We need Italian prosciutto, salame italiano, and a mixture of salami. This is classico, herbs and spices, and black pepper. I have finished my charcuterie shopping. Now, had I bought the crackers and the cheeses and the salamis and whatnot at my local supermarket, I would be paying about $100. Today, I will pay about $36.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
I made a quick stop home in order to put perishables in the refrigerator. This also gave me a chance to present Goldie and Binky with their new fishing pole toy. This toy provides endless entertainment for the cats. It also affords Avery the chance for smoochies. We're at Hannaford now to buy some of the tomato sauces and other things that we need for our freezer dinners. One of the freezer dinners is a sausage and egg tater tot casserole, and I need scallions for that. And I have a sneaking suspicion that I'm going to leave the store without buying the tater tots. So please help me to remember, okay? I need olive oil because we're going to be doing various marinades. For the chicken enchiladas we're making, I need corn tortillas. Tater tots. These tater tots are great. They're gluten-free, they're really easy to cook, and they are great on a casserole. I'm about to head home now, and I wanted to thank you for being here for this marathon grocery shopping day, plus our visit to PetSmart to buy Goldie's toy. And of course, I will bring you along when we make these freezer dinners and when we make the book club dinner. I also have a special dessert I'm going to do for the book club, and I hope you will join me. So until next time, please take very good care of yourself, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye for now, friends.